Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to join the Amazon Influencer Program. It's a unique new program that pays you for videos uploaded to Amazon. And a very useful thing about it is the videos don't have to be unique to Amazon. You don't have to create videos for Amazon. So if you already make videos for YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or even TikTok, you could repurpose some of that video. But it is for influencers, meaning they're going to ask you to link a YouTube account or Instagram account or a Facebook account to verify that you already have a following before you could join it. So that's why it's called the Influencer Program. Now they have an Amazon Associate Program for affiliate marketing, which is different, and you don't need a following for that. So I do have a video about that if you want to join that. This is for uploading videos to Amazon that are covering different things like unboxing videos, tech tutorials, any type of tutorial really would work. So see if your content really is a good fit for this, and I'll walk you through the entire process and exactly how to apply. I'll put a link below in the description so it will bring you to this page. Amazon influencers can upload videos and earn a commission. So to sign up, I'm just going to show you kind of the sign up process because I'm signing up for the first time here. So I wanted to record that process, and I have to sign up here. I haven't signed up, so I'm going to click this. And this is going to give you a little bit more information. Monetize your content with the Amazon Influencer Program. So this is different than the affiliate program. So I'm already part of the Amazon affiliate where I could link to different products using my YouTube videos. This is a different thing though. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for this, but you could read more about it on this page here or pause the video. And you could either create a new account or use your existing customer account here. So I'm going to go ahead and use my existing Amazon account. And then it says which platform you use. Right now, these are the three that I could see, but maybe they'll add more like Snapchat and TikTok. I'll use YouTube. And I had to actually log in with my YouTube account, which I'm really not a fan of. And I guess it needs to look at the number of subscribers you have because it looks like it says I'm eligible. And I used an account that has 6,000 subscribers just to give you an idea. I didn't use my couple of bigger channels. And I couldn't find exact numbers on what they're looking for here. So hopefully you get the same message, or you have to build out your audience on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube here, and then hopefully they'll accept you. You could apply again. And I have a ton of videos on those on my channel. So if you want to grow your Instagram or YouTube, make sure you check out some of those videos. Then it says upload a profile picture, upload a cover image. So let me go ahead and do that. And then it's going to ask for your name, a little bio, and it's going to ask you for optional social medias if you want to link those. And then go ahead and press next. Put how you heard about this, so you could select one of these here, press next. And then go ahead and read their operating agreement here and press done. And it's created a personal URL for me, so I could go to that page here. And again, it used the YouTube account that I associated with this here. And there we go. So just to show you, I'm going to press create content, choose video here. And it says Amazon influencers can upload videos and earn a commission. So I'll press that. And this is it. This is my Amazon Creator Hub here where I could upload my content and earn a commission. So you could just press upload. And the upload process is pretty straightforward. I've done it with a different account here. So the stuff that you would put on YouTube, for example, will work just fine. And this is where you could add a product. So if you wanted to tag a product, for example, I'm promoting my favorite camera here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this camera and Sony a7S III. I could go ahead and select the option from here. And the video is basically unboxing video of this product. So this is going to give me a good chance of earning some commission here. And I just went through and uploaded a video. So I did an unboxing video on this light here, this big light here. And I tagged that light and it let me actually put a custom thumbnail. So I put the one I had for YouTube already. And I give it a title here. And I'm going to press submit. This is a 14-minute video. And it says video will be processed and reviewed to determine if it meets our content guideline. It typically takes 2 days. So not as easy as just creating a YouTube channel and uploading to it, but I'll keep you posted on how this goes here. I'm going to try with a couple of different videos, and then I'll give you kind of the update on what happened. So it's been 3 days since I made the other portion of the video here. So let me show you what ended up happening. To access the same page, I need to go to amazon.com/shop and slash the vanity name that I put here. So I put New Slate Films, and then it'll bring me to this page. The confusion I found is if I try to sign into my influencer program using the page I used in the beginning, it kept taking me to the Amazon Associate program because I used the same email for both. So maybe if you want to keep them separated, use a different email if you have an associates program. That's the affiliate program, and the influencer program. If you come to that URL that you created in the previous part, it looks like they put one of my videos here, and this is the rest of what my profile looks like. But let me press manage videos, and this video still has 0 views, but you see they published one of my videos, but they rejected the other video. And I didn't realize this when I published it because I didn't read the content guideline. But basically, you can't mention any external links in the video. So I was repurposing a YouTube video, but obviously I had an external link to my YouTube profile, or I think I was asking people even to come to Amazon, which is, I guess, an external link. So I'm not supposed to have direct call to action. It says accurately tag products, and there is no price and promotion. Again, I did this too. In the video, I mentioned how much things are. I guess you can't do that. So you may have to re-edit some of your videos. It says videos containing text issues such as spelling mistakes and grammar errors, and that is also a problem. There's policies about children, medical advice. So there's a ton of stuff here that you should definitely read. I did not read any of this. I just published my existing YouTube videos, assuming they were fine for YouTube, they must be fine for here, but this one got rejected. This one, however, got published without an issue because I didn't mention to subscribe to my YouTube channel on here, and I did not mention a price. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to upload more videos now after I re-edit a few videos to try to get this going. But if you go over back to this page again, you could go ahead and see how others see your profile. So this is basically what other people will see. They could follow me here. They could see my influencer videos here, and I could start recommending more products in my storefront as I upload more videos. But this is just the basics of applying and getting into the influencer content program from Amazon. And I'll show you this one more time just before I wrap up this video. This page is called Amazon Influencers, what we've covered in this video, and that's inspire shoppers as an Amazon influencer and monetize your content with the Amazon Influencer program. Then there is this page that looks kind of like that, but it's different. This is called the Amazon Associates program. Recommend products, earn a commission. For this one, you don't need a following. Okay, so I do have a separate video that anybody could use to sign up for the Amazon Associates program and earn commission right away using the recommendation of Amazon links on any platform they feel like it. And on Amazon Influencers, that's uploading videos and earning commission that way, which requires a following. So since I was confused about this myself, I thought I would just clearly show you the 2 separate pages. Now, I have a ton of filmmaking tutorials on my filmmaking channel, which I'm going to post here, which I do a lot of unboxing of cameras and things like that. So I'll keep you posted on the progress on this to see how this does, and I'll give you an income report as well. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content regarding the Amazon Influencer program and content creation in general and monetizing it. Thanks so much for all your time, and I'll see you next time.